and good people, how are you doing? How is your day? How is COVID-19 going on in your lives? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you stressed? Don't worry about it. Pray about everything and it shall be alright. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Elvina Momanyi and this is actually my first video that I'm uploading. So I'm hoping that you're going to have a good family together. You're going to motivate each other, you're going to love each other, you're going to support each other, and you're going to share ideas between each other so that you can grow. I am currently living in Kwale County, among the top cities that are under lockdown, and I'm going to give you more of Kwale, take you out, see how Kwale is in days to come. And this channel is basically about motivating each other, cleaning up your houses and organization of your spaces, and growth. I'm open to your ideas. What do you want me to do? What do you want me to speak about? And yeah, I want us to grow together in this journey as family and loves. You know, we can't live in this world without love. So yeah, today I'm in my kitchen. As you can see, it is a bit of a mess right now, and though it's quarantine, we have to clean up. So we're going to clean up this beautiful kitchen, and yeah, we'll see where it goes. After the kitchen, we'll go to the other rooms of the house, then we'll go out and see how Kwale houses are, because this is just a unique county in itself. So yeah, I'm really happy and I'm really excited that you're starting this journey together. It's a bit yeah, it's that, you know, but with faith, all things are possible, and I'm trusting God that you're going to grow and grow together. I love you so much. My love from me to you. Hope to create a big family and more friends and more love to each other. Thank you. Welcome to my home, and let's have fun and let's start.
You can clearly see I don't have any storage, no shelves, no cabinets at all. My landlord did his thing, you know. Didn't install anything, so you gotta do what you gotta do, girl. That is the door leading to the back area where we hang our clothes. A little seat that I started my life with. Yeah, mats so that the seats can't slip. Yeah, nothing much in this kitchen. But the thing I love about it is the colors on the walls. At least he tried. He didn't put on the cream yellow paint on most of the walls. Yeah, so that is how my kitchen looks so far. So good. And let's start with the cleaning now, immediately. Alrighty. Most of you may know the Kenyan coastal region is so salty. Even the atmosphere, actually, I think it's salty too. So owning any metallic things in the house, especially near the sink like the dish rack, it tends to rust due to the salty water. Also, the surface of the sink tends to rust at some point. So if you don't clean your surface and if you use metallic racks, it's so unfortunate. But then that's what I have and that's what I'll use at the moment, though planning to buy a new plastic dish rack, yeah, as life goes on, sooner than later. rack, I got it from Jumia like 3 years ago. I got it for 3,000 Kenyan shillings, I believe. And it's still serving me till today. Though it's rusting, it's still doing what it's supposed to do. You notice I'm fetching some water from the basin and pouring on the rack. Actually, Kwale is one of those places where, especially in the area that or location that I live, yeah, we don't have a 24/7 supply of water unless your landlord is that smart enough to build you under what are they called? Water reservoirs, the underground tanks and buying tanks. But before he does that, man, you're going to struggle with water for some time. But yeah, that's how we live. That is this other part of Kwale. Yeah. So I'll be basically transferring all these jars to the tall table in quartz that you saw before, so that I can clean that surface up and clean them up as well, then arrange them back as they were. These tall jars I got from Nawal Center. Those people who live in Mombasa, I know you know Nawal Center. And these are 2 liters jar. I got a piece was going for 260 shillings. Then that was before the corona period. Yeah. And there are more. There's the 2 liter, then there is the 1.5 liter, which I got for 230 shillings a piece. And the 0.5 liters, the small ones, I got a piece at 150 shillings. That was quite affordable, I can say. The cleaning procedure for all the containers is basically the same. With a wet sponge, I wipe all the containers from the outer part. I'm not going to empty any contents from the containers at the moment, just wiping and drying them down with a paper towel. That small custard you see there is from the microwave grill. When you buy your microwave, you get it in. Yeah, I decided to repurpose it for my spices, and the jars for my spices are 2 from Nawal Center. When starting life, you know how you start with those plastic storage thingies, like this one that I have, the blue one, where I store all my utensils because I don't have any storage in the house. It is a total lifesaver, I must say, and it is super affordable. I got it for 300 Kenyan shillings the first time I moved to Kwale County. Where? Kameniokolea, so far so good. It's still stable and durable. This high table is a Pinterest idea with the bar stools and the rack shelf. I just took a screenshot, took it to my fundi carpenter, and he executed as it was, and I'm so thankful. And it's helping me so much. You can see it's for storage at the moment, as well as my dining area in the kitchen.
Hello beautiful people, and yes, we finally finished cleaning the beautiful kitchen with no storage at all installed by the landlord. But hey, life has to go on, so yeah, as usual, water. We need some water for our utensils, and I scrubbed clean. This place was a bit rusty, and the utensil rack there, storage corner, now that is like my mini pantry. Yeah, and that, and beneath here, these are just boxes when I go for bulk shopping. I get them, and some are the boxes which I used to move with to Coast. You can see that one is labeled Modern Coast. Those are clean. Socket, boil some water. Yeah, my teeny tiny gas, and my place for utensils. Totally organized right now and clean. Spices, cups and jugs, plates, spoons, measuring cup and storage container, sufuria, storage container, grater, and my lids. I'm taking some water at the moment, and yeah, my bar stools, and yeah. And that's all I can say. Since we don't have water, I have to have water in a jerrycan. And the way out. Yay, we did it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell. Love you, my people. See you soon.